Are you on a smartphone or tablet and planning to start playing Honor of Kings for the first time? It is a fast-paced MOBA game that can feel overwhelming for new players, but don't worry. In this video, we are going to walk you through how you can start playing Honor of Kings on your smartphone or tablet. So let's get started. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and from the home page of your Google Play Store or App Store, tap the search icon. In the search bar, type in Honor of Kings. From the search results, look for the Honor of Kings application from Level Infinite. Now, tap on the Install button. On your iOS device, tap on Get and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be downloaded on your device. Once it is done, tap on Play or Open. Wait until the game loads and you will come across this page. Select if you are new to the game or you've played it before. If you are new, tap on Enter Tutorial on the left-hand corner at the bottom, and this will walk you through a quick tutorial. Now all you need to do is to follow through the instructions, complete through the tutorials. In the tutorial, you will learn the movement, basic attacks and skills, using abilities and ultimate skills, and so on. Do not skip the tutorial, it helps you understand core mechanics. Honor of Kings is a team-based game where you can learn basic roles like tank, mage, marksman, assassin, etc. Stick to your lane and help your teammates instead of playing solo. Practice and improve daily. Try playing a few matches daily, use the training mode to practice skills, and watch your gameplay and learn from mistakes. So that's it. Getting started with Honor of Kings is easy once you understand the basics. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.